occupy like Benue, Kwara, Plateau, Kaduna. Hey. You want to imagine the capacity of your armed forces and the capacity of your police, then compare to the capacity of terrorists in just one state that has been reintegrated back into the society. Ha! People don't lie, no. Who they there with raise salute? If we talk, they will say we talk.
This is a program that being anchored in Nigeria. Okay? And this program is being anchored by somebody who believes in Nigeria. But did you hear what he said? If you talk, they say we talk. Anybody go kasi nebo yo ko mumeno ko ye kuliku na no the beer. Meaning that if you know how to talk anyhow, if you know how to act anyhow, somebody who talk anyhow will follow you up. You cannot beat a child and say don't cry. We have seen how this template work in other countries. So is it our fault that we're able to connect it, like to remember what happened to other people and try to use it to understand what may happen to us? This situation as on Grandland is no longer about whether you want Biafra, whether you don't want Biafra. No, it's not like that. That's not what it means. What it means is that, yes, you don't want Biafra. Yes, you want Nigeria. People who are controlling Nigeria, like the owner of Nigeria, is telling you something else. Just like when you reach an agreement with your wife, that you are going to do one or two, you and your wife, your partner, agree to do something. Let's assume you agree to have, maybe you agree to rent a house in a particular location or build a house in a particular location. You build a house or you rent a house and you guys move there. The house is for you to live peacefully. Okay? Then your wife all of a sudden go out and came back with a baby lion to put in that house. You say, mommy, or maybe my love, the pet name of couple do call themselves. This baby lion that you brought home, it's not a domestic animal. Your friend say, yeah, no. This lion, let it grow here in the house. It will turn somehow to a domestic animal. You say, no. Honey, I know lion when I see one. I can tell you what lion is capable of doing. He say, don't you trust me? Finally, the lion has grown and begin to do what lion is known for. You are shouting. They will say, no, the way you are shouting as if I'm a bad person. Take this lion out. Don't forget, this lion will just only control this also place. It's not going to do another place. This lion will stay in the back of our house. But every now and then, that lion is coming in front of the house and attacking everybody. You living in the house is panicking. Then somebody called you and said, maybe one of your son or your relatives that live in the compound said, no, I want to put my own fence here. I want to go. Let me just, because I'm afraid of this lion. They say, oh, you are a separatist. You are calling for war. You are a problem maker. Then you ask them, this lion that, but you know my problem with you. It's not that I hate you, but this lion that you keep on, feeding here and allow the lion to go without even chaining the lion and anything. I'm not comfortable with it because my life is being threatened. They will do everything to eliminate you. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that the situation now is not about Biafra only. It is getting out of hand. Check what is going on in many places now in Nigeria. You will understand the danger at hand. And yes, sometimes we believe that when you talk about freedom, when you talk about it, people see it as you are looking for problem, right? But can you ask yourself what is going on in other parts of the country? Do you think it's just there? It's not going to happen to you. Now, I want you to watch this